Well, good morning. It is Wednesday, the 27th of June, back in the office. The markets today are somewhat similar to what we've seen recently. Waiting and watching. Washington, statements coming out of the administration with regard to China and trade sanctions. Things are seeming to be softening a little bit, and you're seeing some reaction, not a lot yet, but I think this could start a larger bounce in this market. I don't think anything, especially in cotton, I think in grains, especially soybeans too, is really going to be able to make a lot of progress to the upside and wipe out some of these unusually sharp drops we've seen in these markets until we see something really coming out of the administration that people feel confident in. And right now we're not quite there yet, although things are a little bit better. Let's just look around the board here. Cotton down a small amount, but very close to unchanged. We've got the grain markets are all up, led by soybeans. I think that's a positive sign. Energy market is up. Story there is that they're actually increasing. OPEC's talking about increasing production as there's going to be a U.S.-led boycott of Iraqi oil. To make that up, the rest of the OPEC producing countries could very well increase production, which works out well for them with prices as high as they are. Looking around, dollar is up, precious metals not moving a lot, but down a very small amount. The Asian stock market's having a difficult time right now. Some of the news coming out as far as economic releases in Asia have not been good at all, and so their stock market is struggling. European stock market is up. U.S. stock market down a very small amount. It's actually up a small amount now. So let's take a look. We are unchanged in December cotton, 84.51, a high of 84.85, a low of 84.19. So you're seeing a compacting of the trade range in recent days. People are just not wanting to do anything, and so that's what's going on there. November soybeans are up 6.5 at 8.94, high of 8.97 3/4, low of 8.86 1/4. December corn up 1 3/4 at 3.75, a high of 3.77, a low of 3.72 1/4. July wheat, let's look at September wheat, up 4 3/4, 4.87 3/4, high of 4.89 1/4, low of 4.81 3/4. Just want to make a statement about prices, especially for cotton and for soybeans. These markets have got extremely underpriced versus the fundamentals of the market. These are distorted prices that I haven't seen in 39 years. If you look at probably what this market should be worth, we are so substantially below that level that when things finally do settle with regard to trade sanctions, and they will in time, this market, I think, in cotton and in soybeans will explode. Now, I don't know when that'll be, and it can get worse before it gets better. But because this market is so unrealistically low right now, it's just a matter of it's just a matter of time. Right now, we're looking at December cotton at 84.52. I don't think it ever would have gotten under 89 if it had not been for people getting nervous over trade sanctions and dumping out of long positions. As far as November soybeans go, they're at 8.93. I'm not sure they ever would have gotten under 9.60 if it had not been for this. So you can see just how low we are right now. There are people calling for commodity markets longer term and are major bull markets. And yet right now, because of this artificial situation, we are incredibly low. So just a word about that. What else? Dollar up 26, gold down $1, silver down 3 cents. S&P futures index, as we started talking, was down a small amount. Now it's up a small amount. As people start coming into the offices, looking at some of the news, I think you're going to see these markets firming up even more. That's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.